The wheels of justice are turning once again in Travis County, with in-person proceedings and jury trials resuming last Monday. In fact, District Judge Cliff Brown says 2 criminal trials are already underway.
We've come up with a plan whereby we're going to integrate these trials slowly.
There are still some modifications for COVID, like fewer trials happening at once, jury selection spread out over 3 days, jurors seated in the gallery instead of the jury box, and mask requirements for anyone who's not speaking.
We're just so excited to get back and get back to the place where everybody's going to have their day in court.
But the court system does have a challenge on its hands.
There's no doubt it's a backlog.
A few jury trials were able to be held during periods where cases dropped in Travis County, but hundreds of trials for crimes like murder, rape, and assault have been on hold.
There's a reason why criminal trials were exempted from being allowed to be done virtually, because the stakes are so high. You can't do that.
In March of 2020, there were 179 jury trials pending in Travis County District Court. As of the end of last month, there are 245 pending trials, a 37% increase.
There are cases where people are accused of taking someone's life. The family members of the decedent have to sit there and wait until this case goes forward, and the person accused has to wait. But I can assure both of those parties that their day in court is coming.
So how will those cases be prioritized?
It's real simple. Whoever's been in jail the longest, those are the cases that are going to go to trial first. I have cases where people are out of jail and have been out of jail for some time, and I have to tell them quite candidly, I don't know when we'll get to your trial, because we are going to prioritize the oldest jail cases and then kind of triage from there.
The good news, the number of pending jury trials in county court have actually gone down over the past 2 years, due in part to changes in the way the county attorney addresses some cases.
We have been really going full steam since the beginning of the pandemic.
Courts have been holding virtual dockets and Zoom hearings on a daily basis, meaning that despite about 22,000 felony cases being added to the docket since 2020, about 12,000 cases have actually been disposed of during that time, a 54% clearance ratio.
When we were forced to kind of adapt to this kind of virtual world and doing things electronically, we did it.
As for the backlog, Judge Brown says the current modified trial schedule will help, but
only once we get back to our normal routine of trying cases, each court trying a case every other week, where we'll really be able to make a dent in this backlog.